Tore down the engine after finding some metal in the oil pan, and I'm trying to figure out what the issue is. It looked like it was parts of a oil separator ring. So there is this much play, so I don't think that the bearings are spun or anything. I opened this one actually, and the bearing was right there. This one has the most play. I don't see any obvious problems with this engine, other than maybe this timing chain is quite loose. You can kind of see here. I'm assuming this is of course when I put my hand in there you can't see, but you can kind of see. Yeah, right there. I don't know if it jumped and it got messed up because of it. There was a lot of vibration. Everything looks okay. I really don't want to take out one by one each piston and figure out what's going on, but I guess that's the next step. Thank you.